There is everything that you need in it. A bed, a kitchen, a fridge, a cabinet, which I don't. It's bunk bed.
Yes, one bed, double bed.
Yeah. What?
Kitchen there.
And in a fridge.
Fridge also there.
Well, I'm gonna try to open it. Oh! Huh.
Yeah. The sink there. So, we want to go inside, do some electronics. sauces that you just put up.
No, no, we don't stop so much. The format was made by
After the console is started, all the way up.
Must be someone more fun.
Yeah, I can feel it getting warm in there.
We've got conversations. That's right there. But then you're going to have diesel to run the camera, and that kind of diesel will
It's been the trend for me this year. At every other show I've done all over the country, Friday's been really good, Saturday's been a dip, Sunday's been good. Whereas often it's weekend.
It's 1, 2, 3, 2. We do like come back and unscrew it. Information.
It's so cold. It's not cold there, but it's cold there. Right, those are plastic.
You say brew, it just goes down into the so 20 bucks and not one much of your 150 bucks worth of gear. We do 60 bucks on the whole kit. The whole thing comes up. What I've got for you.
Yeah.
What do you want?
This one, most New Zealanders run for this stuff. Kitchen roll or a towel, yeah? First thing you do is you race back to the spill, start to press down on the stain. Who's done that before? Look, when you press down, you do spread the stain, and it does end up going into the underlay underneath, alright? So we really do need to get this spill out. So what we're going to do right now is we'll take out the kitchen roll, and today at the home show, this is how we fix it. We take our chamois to the spill. Now when you use our chamois, there's only one golden rule. Listen carefully. You must always use the chamois damp, alright? So run the chamois round the spill, get it damp, and then roll it up and wring it out. Not on your carpet, alright? Now for this bit, if I could ask all of you to squeeze right up the front. Just squeeze right in if you can. Watch around the front and sides of this. Yeah, I understand. Yep. When I drop it on the top. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, sorry, young man. Look at that. Draws the liquid in, lifts it off the floorboards. Isn't that amazing? So we're not pressing down, we're not spreading the stain. That's why we sell thousands, and we do. Alright? Now have a little look, there's the coloured spill coming out. Turn it around, the second application's the same. And now I'm going to show all of you what we've taken out of there. Alright, watch this. We have removed all the excess liquid from the carpets. Are you ready?
Whoa.
Seconds. Now you've got to admit that's impressive, yeah? And I tell you what, 4 in the morning, ma'am, if that was our last glass of red, I'll leave that up to you, alright? Now watch this. On the last I am kidding, of course. On the last application, you can press down. When you press down, see that? The chamois soaks up. So look, use it on furniture, use it on car seats. Anywhere you have a big spill, the chamois will come to the rescue. The proof is underneath the carpet though. I'm sure everybody remembers the spill on the floorboards, rotting and staining. Well look, underneath the floor is now bone dry, and I have a feel how dry the carpet is. Pretty good, right? What do you think? You get a squeeze as well there, sir. That's not bone dry, but it's certainly dry enough to walk on. Third application and it would be dry, but you're probably wondering by now, how much are they, right? Thank you for asking that. And where do we pick one up? Yes, you got a free one in your hand there. That's right. There you go. There we are. So if you would